afternoon everyone. It's a bit of a weird video, to be honest, I'm going to be doing today because, well, I was going to do one on the weekend, I didn't do that. So I thought, you know what, just to fill in, I will do a Reading Jap Meet, considering it might be my last meet. Or, well, the last Reading Jap Meet of this year, to be honest. I don't know whether or not I'm going to go. Anyway, funnily enough, for today, starting off here, and I've actually cruised up with two lovely fucking cars, which hopefully I'm going to be doing reviews on. Now, obviously my Crown, Luke's absolutely lovely K20 swapped EG hatch, and a friend's R34, freshly built R34, running 700 brake. It's still on bedding miles at the moment, which we've resprayed, fully rebuilt, and it's absolutely wonderful. We'll be putting rollers in for that video at some point too. Absolutely lovely. Gorgeous. Oh, and Andrew's turned up with his Crown, funnily enough. So, I think the best lineup has now turned up. I don't know what this fucking shitty little fucking tag is there for though. Okay, back at my cars quick, had to truck a monster in there because Tom gave me one, and here is lovely Isaac's IS200 estate. Nice Honda S2000, and if we go round, this absolutely lovely ES Civic.
Yeah, I know, that's what I mean. I was rather just do it.
Well, I've just been up to the corner roundabout and Harley wanted to say hello.
Yo guys.
Can't even see shit at the moment because there's no lighting.
Hello.
Oh, and the girlfriend. There we go. Gonna go find some fucking cars, rip some shit, and I don't know, roast some people or something or other. Oh, the local hairdresser is now here. Oh, it's the Renault making flames over there.
It's a fucking flame.
It's a vibrator. What are you on about? And,
Oh, Tesla.
oi, very nice legacy thing. Is the vibrator stopped vibrating now, Luke?
Don't know.
Sick fucking Rover with the fake BBS LMs. Riley, what's your thoughts on these?
If you're buying reps, you stink.
Oh, and what we got over here? The little yellow Daihatsu.
The bird's in the cage.
Looks like someone has already been ransacking Tom Sinclair's stash.
Wow, I'm taking. Thank you, Tom.
Lovely Evo.
I've just committed a crime.
You have seen this, Tom. It's evidence of theft.
Thank you, Tom. Love you.
Where did you get that bit again?
How many have you got?
free.
Love you, Tom Sinclair.
Nice golf, right from golf. Max Power style, I think for this Cosworth estate. No, what am I on about? That's a miss course. And a typical very boring chaser, like they all are. Energy drink review with Oliver.
Yes, let's open this.
Is it Dragola this time? Is
No, this is Monster Energy by Sinclair.
it? Okay.
Oh, I tell you what, that is bloody lovely.
Let me tell you something, guys. Watermelon.
For fuck's sake.
I got loads anyway.
I like getting high. This was not him. It was not him. Definitely not. Right. We're having a look at this fancy starlet. Wow.
That's something.
Wow. So pretty.
To be fair, actually, I do rate how they've done the fucking LEDs on that. I'm not gonna lie.
That's something.
But it is a starlet. And it's fucking towing that sick fucking little thing. And I swear they're rare as fuck, so I don't know the fucking name on them. Man's trying to park. And that's a micro.
That's the wrong colour one.
I approve of fitment.
Look at the dent, that's not there. That dent in there. Don't look at that.
Doesn't fucking exist.
I got hit by a lorry.
Right on it, look.
How did you do that?
I got hit by a lorry.
You're shit at driving.
Nah, the lorry hit me.
That explains it.
It was parked at work.
What's this? Sort your fucking fitment out.
Ben, go look at the other side.
Look at the other side.
Don't tell me you was in the car. Oh, look, you're
Oh my god, you've been fucked on that side. Oh yeah, now that's what you call fitment.
She rubs a bit.
Now you still need a lower.
Yeah, I can go lower.
He was showing me video.
That's fucking better. What's wrong with him? Sort him out. I chat absolute fucking shit at car meets.
Of course he does.
No, that's actually the
Let's hear some noises. Fucking disappointing. Oh. Civic, let's hear some noises. No. There we go, good luck. Ooh. Oh, another Civic. That's what we like to hear. Come on, this guy. Fucking Jesus Christ. And the pigs are over there doing fucking nothing. Fucking food, mate. That's what I needed. Yep, I approve on that fitment. What crepes have we got? What is that?
That's another alternator, isn't it?
I think it's oh no! I can't even see it now.
Hello? Where are you?
Hello, Daddy.
There you go. There you go. I'm filming you.
Carr's here.
What's up, lads?
Yep. Absolute sick Civic. With some mesh boys. Oh. And the dollies.
The doilies.
Oh, it's fucking yours. Legend.
Terrible, isn't it?
Let's get a good gander in there. I'm okay, yes, I am approving of the fitment.
Don't forget the car seat.
Nice.
Like winter
Fitment check. Fits.
A little bit of mouth gap.
Yeah, a bit there. Yellow as well. Fucking sick one.
You ain't gonna fucking get stuck in the ditch in that high.
It's taller than you, Luke.
It's got my tractor.
Disappointing once again.
I know this guy.
Definitely. Oh, okay. Intercooler. Definitely fucking antisocial. There's been a shooting.
Have you seen on the side of it?
16, no license. Nice. It is fully stripped out as well.
It's the walls.
Well, he hasn't done a very good fucking job yet, has he? Oh, a S14 on a set of JRs because everyone's tight as fuck at the moment. Oh, okay. Lovely, another crown there. Starting to rain a bit. But there we go. Oh. So. That one's going to start. Yeah, that one. Weather's starting to get a bit rainy. I've had a nice bit of fun. I've obviously not fucking filmed every single car here because fuck that. Good laugh, just what kind of cool shit that is here I have filmed. Just another jokes video, to be honest. I have got next weekend driver show coming up, and me and Harley will be doing a roast or boast video, which will be not the same video but also be filmed at the same day, but will be getting uploaded a different day. Anyway, just before I fucking leave, I'm gonna get this fucking R34 here. See, that sums the fucking video up. Wrong car. That's summing the video up. I'm now going to be off. It's fucking raining. Remember, like, subscribe, and well, yeah, to next weekend really.